Hi, welcome to your student dashboard. On the side, you'll find your reminders, calendar widgets, music, and quick navigation buttons to easily move around your planner. Here you'll find your classes gallery, delete the example classes and add your own. Add the days, location, and time for each class. You can also personalize each class by clicking here to replace the image with one of your choice. Here it is. You can also change the icon to whatever you want. I'm going to change it into a brain for psychology. Next, click the Classes tab next to the gallery to see all your classes in a simple table, organized by day, time, and location. Next, scroll down to your weekly to-do list. You can add any tasks you want to focus on for the week and check them off as you go. This is your classes page. Here is your assignments, class notes, and a synced calendar. No need to use 3 different apps to keep track of everything anymore. It's all here in one place. At the top, you'll see your different class tabs, along with additional filters for things like quizzes and exams, priority, and completed assignments. These make it easy to quickly organize and view your assignments based on what you need to focus on. When you're ready to set everything up, simply replace Class 1, Class 2, and so on with the names of your own classes. Don't forget to update the Course tab as well. You can customize the color to your preference. For each assignment, you can add the task, priority, and any notes you want to keep. You can also change the task colors to whatever you prefer, making it easier to differentiate between different types of task. Here, I'll show you how to add a new assignments to your psychology class. And this is what it looks like once you've added your assignments. In the priority view, you'll see your assignments from most to least important. When you check off an assignment, it disappears from your active list to keep everything uncluttered. But don't worry, you can always find your completed assignments in the completed view. Next is your class notes section. Replace the class tabs with your own classes. Here's an example of what your notes can look like once they're filled out. You can format your notes however you like. You can make it organized by making your titles bold and even add bullet points. And I'll quickly show you how to create one from scratch. Simply click into a new note, start typing, and use the formatting options to add things like bold text, headings, and more. There you have it. Now you can add notes as you go, view them by class, and keep everything organized instead of having your notes scattered across Google Docs. And here's a quick look at your calendar. Any assignments you add to your assignment data will automatically show up here with their due dates. You can play your Spotify study playlist. Set your Pomodoro timer. And set your focus for the day with the Today's Focus section. You'll also see your class assignments and notes right here, so you don't have to keep going back and forth to the classes page. Anything you add or change here will automatically update on your classes page too. Here's your semester prep page. This is where you can get all your class information organized and ready for the semester, so you're not scrambling to find everything later. Once again, you can replace these example classes with your own class names. Inside each class, you can add important information like your instructor, office location, office hours, email, and lecture name. And down here, you can upload your syllabus file, so you always have it saved and easy to find in one organized space. This is your course books section. Add the books you need for the semester, which class they're for, and the price. Your total book cost will be calculated for you, and you can check them off as you purchase them. And down here, upload any extra files you want to keep handy. This is your book tracker, where you can keep track of every book you've read, are currently reading, or even abandoned. In the table view, you can see the genre, your reading status, the rating you gave the book, when you started and finished it, and even add your own thoughts. You can click these views to see what you're currently reading and what you finished reading. To add a new book, just click this button here. Fill in the details of your book, and add an image here as your book cover. And here is your book. Down here is your book's wish list, where you can keep track of all the books you want to read. You can also set a priority, so you know which ones you're most excited to read first. And finally, this is your info hub, basically your go-to spot for all those important school details you don't want to dig around for. You can fill in your student information, academic contacts, school links, and important campus numbers, so everything is easy to find when you need it. You also have space at the bottom to upload or embed any important files you want to keep handy.